Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Straighten tool is handy for times when you want to correct a crooked picture. You can specify a new straight edge and then rotate the image according to your line. To use this tool, select the Straighten tool from the toolbox and select a Canvas option in the Tool Options bar. Grow or shrink canvas to fit will rotate your image and increase or decrease the size of the canvas to fit the image area. Crop to remove background will cut off any background canvas outside the image area. Crop to original size will rotate the image but not cut off any background canvas. If you want all of your layers rotated, then select that option. You can also select the Autofill Edges checkbox, which automatically fills the edges with relevant data from the photograph, attempting to fill the empty space with contents from the image. Finally, draw your new line in your image that represents the new straight edge. When you release your mouse button, your image will be straightened. Alternatively, you can also straighten your images by using the menu bar. Select Image, Rotate, Straighten Image, or Image, Rotate, Straighten and Crop Image, depending on which one you want to do.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.